The DJI Pocket 4 is no longer hiding behind rumors. It's quietly stepping into the real world. Instead of just leaks and speculation, actual retail boxes have started showing up in stores, fully packaged and ready to sell. That's the kind of move that makes you pause and think, okay, something is definitely about to happen. This isn't early hype anymore, it feels like the final countdown before launch. What makes things even more interesting is that a retailer has pointed toward a very specific date, April 20th, 2026. Now, sure, it's not an official announcement, but retailers don't just guess these things randomly. If they're putting stock on shelves and hinting at dates, it usually means the launch is locked in behind the scenes. Earlier rumors suggested a March to April release window, and now it looks like those predictions were right on target. But here's where it gets even more surprising. This might not be one of those launch in China first, global later situations. Units have already been spotted in places like Colombia, which hints at a near simultaneous global release. If that turns out to be true, DJI could be changing its usual launch strategy, and that's a pretty big deal. Now let's talk about what actually matters: performance. The Pocket 4 is expected to keep a 1-inch sensor, similar to its predecessor, but instead of chasing bigger hardware, the focus seems to be on smarter improvements. Think better processing, sharper results, and smoother overall footage. It's likely to support 4K at 120 frames per second, and there's even talk of possible 6K recording. So yeah, your slow-motion shots might start looking a little too professional. Like, why does my lunch vlog look like a documentary level? Stabilization is also getting an upgrade, which is kind of DJI's signature move at this point. If their past cameras are anything to go by, you can probably run, jump, or trip over something, not recommended, and still get buttery smooth footage. Magic? Not really, just very good engineering. Battery life is expected to improve too, with a capacity around 1,545 mAh. That should translate to longer recording sessions, which is great news for vloggers, or anyone who forgets to charge their gadgets until the last second. We've all been there. Design-wise, DJI isn't trying to reinvent the wheel. The Pocket 4 keeps its compact, pocket-friendly size, but with some smart tweaks. The handle is slightly longer and easier to grip. There's a new zoom button right where your thumb naturally sits, and a customizable C button for quick settings. Small changes, but the kind that make a big difference when you're actually using it. Audio is another area getting attention. The camera is expected to work seamlessly with the DJI Mic 2 without needing extra receivers, which keeps things clean and simple. The Creator Combo will likely include extra accessories like microphones and even a new LED light for better low-light shooting. So yeah, your night shots might finally stop looking like a blurry ghost video. Pricing is expected to land between $499 and $599 for the base model, while the Creator Combo could go up to around $749. That's pretty much in line with DJI's usual pricing strategy, so nothing too shocking there. There are also whispers about a Pro version with dual cameras, but that's still in rumor territory for now. Still, it shows DJI might be thinking bigger for the future. At this point, with retail units already out in the wild, a launch feels extremely close. This isn't just hype anymore, it's one of the clearest signs that something official is about to drop. So here's the real question. If this camera is already sitting in stores, what is DJI waiting for? And more importantly, would you pick the standard version or go straight for the Creator Combo?